Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change transmission fluid on a Ford Escape. Begin by warming the transmission briefly, then secure the vehicle on jack stands and place a drain pan under the pan. Remove the drain plug or loosen the pan bolts, then drain the fluid completely while inspecting the magnetic drain plug for metal particles. Replace the filter if applicable, wipe the mating surfaces clean, and prepare for reinstallation and refill. With the pan removed, let fluid finish draining while you inspect the pan and magnet for metal shavings or clutch material. Remove the old filter carefully and compare it to the new one to ensure proper fit and orientation. Clean the pan thoroughly, replace the gasket or use a new seal, and hand start bolts to prevent cross-threading. Torque to manufacturer specs when refitting the pan and double-check the drain plug if used. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long maintenance sessions and fits in most cup holders, making it handy when you're under the hood. It's durable, leak-resistant, and easy to carry to the driveway or garage. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After the pan is secured, use a funnel to add the recommended transmission fluid through the dipstick tube or fill port until near the specified level. Start the engine, shift through drive, reverse, and neutral to circulate fluid, then check the level with the engine idling and at operating temperature. Adjust as needed to reach the correct level, scan for leaks, and test drive gently to confirm smooth shifting and proper operation before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.